first things first, I have actually combed my hair thoroughly and I've already started to apply some oil. I don't know why it literally stopped recording, but I'm just going to continue applying my oil because I'm not done yet. My hair actually uses up a lot of oil because they're really that dry. The oil I have been using today is the Glam Growth hair oil, which obviously I use every single time. Ever since I've created this beautiful oil, I have not looked back and never used any other. It is a mixture of castor oil, fractionated coconut oil, avocado oil, it has vitamin E, it has aloe vera, it has a few herbs in there. It's like my favorite thing on earth, literally. It helps grow my hair, it doesn't let my hair fall. I just love it. I really love it. And it doesn't even smell so bad at all. I cannot wait to actually create more really nice hair products because my hair has always been like a struggle for myself because they've always been crazy, curly and coarse and dry and frizzy. I mean, ever since I remember. So I am just really looking forward to like create really intense hair products because when I know an item is working on me, then I know it's going to work on literally everybody else because my hair is actually that bad. And I'm not done yet. I still have to apply a lot more. And I'm going to massage it onto my scalp as well as come down all the way to the tips of my hair. I really want like an intense treatment right now. Once you're done applying your hair oil, you're actually gonna do this next trick, which is the bomb, okay? If you don't have time to leave your hair oils for let's say 2-3 hours, which is normally supposed to be the ideal time to leave any hair oil on your hair, but if you don't have that type of time, let's say, and you just want like a very quick 20-30 minute session, but you really want the oil to really penetrate the hair and like really do its magic, then this is what you do. You take a hair dryer and then boom, dry your hair. Applying heat to your hair at this stage is really going to help the oil to penetrate the shafts of your hair and really do its magic in no time, literally. So let's do this. Alright, it's 6:30 and I'm going to be washing my hair now in the next 20 minutes because it's almost going to be 30 minutes after 20 minutes obviously. And then I'm just going to shampoo my hair and condition as normal. I usually don't use conditioners on my hair anymore because they're really dry and frizzy, but what I use is I use deep conditioning mask twice a week. So after my shampoo, obviously I'm going to use a deep conditioning mask. By the way, if you haven't seen my video yet, which I did just a few days ago about which hair mask is the best, and they're each under £5, please watch my video which is linked in the description and you will know which hair mask I actually use that keep my hair kind of human looking, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna wash my hair now and then see you guys shortly. I'm back. I'm done with the shampoo and my deep conditioning mask. I left it on for a good 15-20 minutes and there you are. My hair feels so much smooth. I haven't really brushed my hair yet because I'm still in the process of letting them air dry. I usually don't use a blow dryer once I'm done with my shampoo and stuff because I feel like too much heat really does make my hair go crazy damaged within seconds, alright? So yeah, I mean, I can still put my fingers through my hair. That means that it's really good to go because usually when I come out of the shower, my hair is usually very coarse, feels very rough to the touch and just very frizzy and crazy. But right now, I can tell you it does not really feel the same. It was worth it. It was worth it. You know, the real quick oiling, the real quick hair dryer for like 5 to 10 minutes. It was good. You know, it really did kind of help my hair soft. Like, I can feel this. It's soft. I can feel it. I love this trick. I'm telling you guys, I use this not very often, but every time I do remember about this trick, oh yeah, there's this one thing I know I can do. It always makes a difference. So every time I use this trick, it's always worth the time, you know. And it's quick. As I said, I usually leave my hair oils on for about 2-3 hours, sometimes even overnight, because this is how coarse my hair can get. But when I do this trick, it's usually the fastest and it gives you actually way better results. So I recommend this trick. Do that. And for now, I'm gonna go and style my hair alright, because I don't want to look crazy like this. So I'm going to style my hair and then quickly come on the camera again and show you guys the end result, you know, because obviously I feel like this is the first time ever anybody's seeing my original hair. This is how they really are. Yeah, I'm always styled, so yeah, this is me. Hello. However, now let's just go and style my hair. So yeah, I cannot wait to style them up and then show you guys the end result. So guys, this is really it. This is what I do to my hair to make them kind of look like this, and this is the hairstyle that you're usually so used to seeing me in, right? So yeah, I hope you guys like this. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. There's so much more content coming. Obviously it's quarantine and that's all I'm doing. I'm making a lot more content and a lot more useful information is coming your way, so stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. Take care. Bye. Happy quarantine.
We need another session in the next few days, probably. I love it. I really love the Glam Growth Hair Oil. It makes my hair so big and shiny and smooth. I love the texture today. It makes me look like a queen today. Well, not really, but...